In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download attachments from Gmail. By the end, you'll know the simplest way to save files people send you, and an easy alternative that keeps everything in the cloud. Let's start on a computer using Gmail in a web browser. Open Gmail in your browser and head to your inbox. Find the email that contains the file you want and open it. Scroll through the message until you see the attachments displayed beneath the email text. They'll appear as small boxes showing the file name and type. Move your mouse over the attachment you want. When you hover, a few icons will appear on the attachment card. Click the download icon to save a copy to your computer. Your browser will place it in the default downloads folder unless you've changed that setting. If your browser asks you where to save, just pick a location you'll remember. After it starts, you can check your browser's download bar or manager to confirm it's saved. Right next to the download icon, you'll also see a Google Drive icon. Clicking this will send the file straight to your Google Drive without downloading it to your computer. That's helpful if you're on a shared device, want to keep your storage free, or prefer to access the file from multiple devices. If you're on the Gmail app, you can tap the Drive icon next to the attachment to do the same thing. If an attachment doesn't download, look for a browser notification that might be blocking downloads. Some browsers limit automatic downloads by default. Allow the download if prompted, or try another browser if the issue continues. Also, remember to check your internet connection and any antivirus prompts that may pause or scan the file. Sometimes large files aren't sent as traditional attachments. Instead, you might see a link to Google Drive in the email. Clicking that link opens the file in Drive, where you can preview it and choose to save it to your own drive or download it from there. Keep in mind that if the sender used Gmail's confidential mode, downloading may be disabled entirely, and you'll only be able to view the content within Gmail for the allowed time. That's it. Open the email, hover over the attachment, choose Download to save it locally, or pick the Drive icon to store it in the cloud. With these options, you can keep important files exactly where you want them and access them whenever you need.